All right, ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing this afternoon? Pleasure to have all of you here. Fix my micro. I'll turn. Excellent. So everything is looking good. So it looks like Dogecoin is bouncing right now. It's definitely good to see this. And if you guys want to see Dogecoin bounce, if you guys love Dogecoin, let's go ahead and hit the like button. It'll help to support the channel and get this video out there so that other people can be aware and get this information just like you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. I do certainly appreciate it. So first and foremost, we are seeing the crypto market go down. But yesterday we had a very strong green day. So that is very important to take note of, that we had a good green day yesterday in the crypto market. We're also having a lot of really good news come out. A lot of really good news come out. There's Billionaire, thank you for the super chat by the dip. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. But I'm certainly buying this dip here. I'm going to see if it's going to continue any lower. When buying a dip, there's a couple of things we want to take into consideration. And you have to understand that as soon as you see green, it doesn't mean that that's the bottom. So there's indicators that you want to look for. There's indications that you want to look for. And confirmations of previous resistance levels. Those will certainly help you to determine whether or not we are confirming a reversal to the upside. So this could certainly be, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the market cipher. This could certainly be a good buy area. And on the 30-minute, we are definitely getting a buy signal. So I do, when there are times that I do see confirmed opportunities to buy cryptocurrencies, I do post them in the Patreon. I do post them in the Patreon when to buy and sell so that you guys can make profits. And so the reason why I put the title Dogecoin is not dead is because everyone keeps saying Dogecoin is dead, it's over with. But it's really not. We are far from over with for Dogecoin. If you look at the thumbnail, it doesn't say Dogecoin is dead. It's asking a question. So I'm letting you guys know that Dogecoin is not dead, that Dogecoin is far from over, and Dogecoin will probably be worth $2 to $3 by the end of the year. That is my speculation on Dogecoin. What about you all? Do you guys think Dogecoin will be $2 or $3 by the end of the year? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And my thumbnails and the titles don't spread uncertainty. It's the common question and concern that people are talking about, especially the new investors. They're so concerned that Dogecoin is dead, that is over with. I keep hearing it over and over again. But it's not. I'm here to consult you. I'm here to comfort you. Letting you know that Dogecoin is not dead, but that Dogecoin is here to stay. Dogecoin is here to grow. And we are continually getting an uptrend in Dogecoin. Let me go ahead and take off some of these indicators so that we can see. Somebody asked how much you think Cardano will be by the end of the year. Cardano is projected to be $10 to $20 by the end of the year. So, those are actually pretty low numbers. There's a lot of big crypto YouTubers. There's a lot of experts who are projecting Cardano to be $20 or $30. The same thing for XRP. They're saying XRP, you know, Dogecoin should definitely, if Cardano and Ethereum and XRP, they hit these numbers that we're expecting, I certainly believe that Dogecoin will be, you know, $3 or more. Assassin MOC, thank you for the super chat. He said he bought the dip. The question is, should you sell? No, you don't want to sell when Dogecoin is down. Dogecoin is down. Let's see how much we are down from the all-time highs. This will give you a good indication. Look, we're going to go to the 4-hour chart. Vincent, it's a pleasure to have you in the Patreon. We make some very profitable plays in the Patreon. We also have a 4,000 member Discord. I also offer services. I teach you guys how to do technical analysis. We do one-on-ones. You can talk to me on the phone. But let's take a look at Dogecoin. From the all-time highs, we are down 55%. So when a crypto, or when a stock, especially we're talking about cryptos, when a crypto is down 55%, that is near the bottom. It was just, you know, 34 days ago, we were at the all-time highs. So we are just at the bottom of the market. And do you guys remember, maybe some of you were in the market at the time, maybe some of you weren't, but do you remember when Dogecoin was at 5 cents and we consolidated forever in the 5 cents range? We were just in the 5 cents. I kept telling you guys, look, we're going to be going up. We're going to be going up. We're going to pump soon. We're going to have a big breakout. We're going to have a huge breakout. People were like, oh, you're lying. It's clickbait, this and that. And look what happened. We broke out of the cup and handle formation, which I told everyone about that we were forming. Nobody wanted to believe me. Nobody. Well, I mean, people, there's a good portion that did believe me. And those people were rewarded. Look, I'm an expert in technical analysis. I've seen this, all of these things play out hundreds of times. Let's go back. Where is this? All right, let me go ahead and zoom in for us. 17. Hold on. I zoomed way out, fellas. All right, let's go back. Okay, perfect. This is exactly what we want to take a look at. Okay, so we hit a high. All right. So Dogecoin hit a high. Was this? No, this is not it. Here we go. This is the area we're looking for. And sorry for the delay. So remember when Dogecoin exploded from less than a penny, we broke 5 cents. Is this it? August? I'm looking in the wrong period. I'm so sorry, guys. All right. Here we go. Perfect. There we go. Here. This is exactly what I was looking for. So we came up. Remember, Dogecoin had the initial pump, went all the way up. We consolidated for a period. More hype came in. More people came into the market. More people came into Dogecoin. And look what happened. We were in a consolidation phase. Look at this. Let's see how much of a drop this was. 55%. It was 53% to be exact. We had a drop of 53%, and then we consolidated for, let's see how long of a period. 67 days. Actually, no, let me zoom out properly. We were in a consolidation phase before we started pumping. 53 days. Dogecoin traded sideways. Dogecoin traded sideways for 53 days. People were like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin's dead. It's over with. Everyone sell. Look at all the people that sold over here. They bought at the top, right? They bought at 8 cents. There's people that bought at 7 cents, 6 cents. They buy at the top. They buy at the top. And here we go. We consolidate. And, you know, they're down 50%. They're down 60%, whatever it is. And they're like, oh my gosh, it's over with. It's never going to go back up. And look what happened. Look exactly what happened. We went all the way up to 73 cents from 5 cents. This is going to continue to happen over and over again. This is going to continue to happen over and over again. And look, the same thing again. The same thing again. Not as long as a period. Look, we came up to 45 cents and we came down. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's over. Look what happened. We came down 14%. Minus 64% we came down. And then look what happened. We doubled. How much did we go up? Let's see. About 400%, I conjecture. Look at this. 370% we came up from that area. We came up from that area. And now here we are. We're in a smaller sell-off. We're in a consolidation phase. So any second, Dogecoin can blast off. And people are worrying about selling. People are saying Dogecoin is dead. It's over with. But here we are. We're consolidating and we are about to go up. We are about to go up. And if you guys would go ahead and give this video a like, if you support Dogecoin, if you love Dogecoin. Well, let's talk about the 6-9 event, shall we? Let's talk about the 6-9 event. Look at it, plays over and over again. It plays over and over again. And what is that? Is on the days that we're all expecting it to go up, it's that day that we expect it to go up, it drops off, right? I don't think that we could go much further, so I didn't announce any sell alerts in the Patreon. And I'm continuing to hold. I'm continuing to hold my position because we're in an uptrend. We're going up. All right, let's see what this person said. Enrique Castro, I appreciate this. He says, if you are holding long term, you're going to gain. If you expect fast money, you're not, and you're going to panic sell. He said, if you expect fast money, you're going to panic sell. If you're a trader, you are brave. So yes, the people that are here just to make a quick dollar, you're going to lose money every time. And these people are getting out of the market. That's what the market manipulation, that's what the big money is doing, is getting these people out of the market. These scared hands. And now once all the sellers are gone out of the market, that's when Dogecoin will blast off. And guess what? They're going to wait till it goes all the way to the top and buy again, and then sell when it goes to the bottom. So they have no business being investing. We also have a person that said the 6-9 event that didn't happen, just like the 420 event. What about the 420 event? Didn't Dogecoin on 420 pump the day before 420? So did it really not happen? So the 420 was the official Doge day. And for days beforehand, 4 or 5 days, that's when Dogecoin pumped. Let's see it. We're going to take a look at the chart. So April 20th, we were actually at 42 cents. And we were just at 5 cents. So if going nearly 10x to April 20th and the days beforehand, if that event didn't happen, what did happen then? What did happen? I'm really interested to hear that. And if also at this 6-9 event didn't happen, did you not just take notice that we just pumped? Look at this. So we had a bottom right here. Go ahead and scroll down. We had a bottom right here. We went to 29 cents, okay? This was June 8th. From June 8th to the 9th, in the middle of the night, about midnight, we had a high of 22%. So we went all the way to 36 cents from 28. So if you don't think that is part of the event, I don't know what to tell you. It happens over and over again. Whenever there is an event, let's just say there's an event tomorrow. There's a whole day. Everyone's expecting Dogecoin to go up. Everyone's going to be buying for this whole event. That day on the event is not when the pump is going to happen. It's going to happen the day before because of expectation. Emotion drives the market. And if there's expectation for something to go up, then people are going to buy the expectation. And then on the day of, people are saying, okay, nothing's happening, and they sell. And then people take their profits. Big money and smart money, they sell the day before to take profits. That's what they do. That's exactly what they do. I actually told you guys a week ago that we have the 6-9 event coming, and I'm going to be selling on the 8th because I said it happens over and over again. And I did not sell this time. You guys could have sold at the top and made some profit, but I'm not going to be selling at the bottom of the market because here's the thing. Yes, you can sell. You can sell, yeah, and maybe let's say you bought at 28 cents. Let's say you bought at 21 cents at some of these dips, right? Let's say you're up, or even let's say you're down. Okay, you sell. It goes down a little bit more. Wow, you're like, wow, I made such a good, I made such a great play. I sold and look, it went down. And you wake up the next day and Dogecoin's at 50 cents. What are you going to say to yourself then? That's how cryptos move. That's how the crypto markets move. They move very fast. And they move faster than you could possibly expect. How is this coin dead though? How is Dogecoin dead? Because it's outperforming pretty much every cryptocurrency. That's a really good question. If you say that Dogecoin is dead, you have no knowledge of cryptocurrencies. You don't understand cryptocurrencies and where they're going. Dogecoin is up. Let's see how much Dogecoin is up. Dogecoin is up year to date from the beginning of the year, 6,782%. Let's take a look back one whole year. Dogecoin is actually up 12,616. If you think Dogecoin is up, maybe you should show us a crypto that, or if you think Dogecoin is dead, maybe you should show us a crypto that isn't. Because Dogecoin is the number 6 crypto in the entire world. It could be 7 now. I'm not sure. But Dogecoin is the number 6 crypto in the entire world. So Dogecoin is far from over. Dogecoin is just getting started. We even have the creator, the founder of Ethereum, VITALIK BUTERIN, talk about Dogecoin. He holds Dogecoin. He believes in Dogecoin, and they're going to be possibly working together. We have ELON MUSK actually helping to develop and get further developers for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is not over. There's businesses all around the world that are continually now accepting Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is far from over, I assure all of you. If you guys would, if you agree that Dogecoin is not dead, go ahead and hit the like button. Let's see the support for Dogecoin. Yeah, when Dogecoin is down, when any crypto is down, that's when the trolls come around. It's true. It's true. I mean, it's understandable if you don't have patience and you don't understand investing and you just expect things to go up as soon as you buy them, and as soon as it goes down, you quit and it's over with. Those type of people should never be in the market, especially cryptocurrencies. You should probably stick with mutual funds or just go to like a savings account and put your money in that. I like that super chat. I really appreciate it. So this is the time to buy. When people, like we are seeing all of these trolls, when people are like that, this is the time to buy. We need to buy when these people are scared because they bring the price down. They bring the price down, and I'm so appreciative of that. I love it. I honestly don't care if Dogecoin dips all the way down to 28 cents or something. I mean, yes, we'd all love to see Dogecoin go up. But, you know, some people that have money on the side, they're trying to get more positions. It's amazing to get these discounts because these discounts do not last long. Every time we get these huge dumps, people are going crazy. They're like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin is dead, it's over with. We get these huge dumps, and then look, we have massive green days right afterwards. That is people buying the dip. That is whales and institutions buying the dip. So we're gonna also take an overlook at some of there actually is some news that I wanted to share with you guys. So just give me a second. We're gonna go ahead and talk about that. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, perfect. This is awesome. Let me see if I can get this news here for all of us. All right, here we go. Oops, that is not it. Click the wrong thing. But how is everybody doing today? Are you guys having a good day so far, despite cryptos going down? It does suck to see cryptos down. I mean, it's not the most fun thing to see, right? It's not the best thing in the world, but it is a good thing because it's a buying opportunity, right? And when buying opportunities are presented, that's where the big bounces, that's where the money comes in. And that's after the money starts coming in and the price starts pumping, then the FOMO will settle in and Dogecoin will be back to the all-time highs. Okay, so look at this. Cryptocurrency comes to retirement plans as Coinbase teams up with a 401k provider. Workers at participating companies could invest up to 5% of their account balances in cryptocurrencies. And this is going to start happening, I believe, in 2 months. I think they said it's going to start happening in 2 months. So what this precisely means, ladies and gentlemen, is that there's more people getting involved in cryptocurrencies. Now 401k and retirement plans are now going to start accepting cryptocurrencies. But why is this important? Why is this important or relevant to Dogecoin? The purpose and the reason of this is precise because when people start to buy Bitcoin, when they start to invest in Ethereum, which Dogecoin is going to be starting to be added on many more platforms, especially the more conservative platforms where they just have a few cryptocurrencies where people can invest in funds. Dogecoin is going to be starting to be included in those funds. Why is that? Because it's the number 6 cryptocurrency in the world. It's one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the entire world, and it is far from over. It is far from over. So this is just the beginning of Dogecoin. This is just the beginning of cryptocurrencies. Remember, we are the pioneers in this space. And we do not need to be fearful because there are hidden agendas from governments, from people in power, spreading fake and false news about Bitcoin, Ethereum, causing the prices to go down. And that is exactly what they want. And look at this. Is it not funny to see that countries, now we have India. Now we have India coming out and saying that they are interested in making Bitcoin their currency. We have Mexico, we have Paraguay, we have Brazil, we have all of these countries ever since El Salvador made Bitcoin their legal tender. All of these countries now are coming out and accepting Bitcoin as their currency. Because most of these people, they don't have bank accounts. They don't have a dollar, a strong dollar to put their money, their life force into. So they need cryptocurrencies because they are assets that grow in value. The Mexican dollar, the Indian dollar, these things pretty much have no value, and they go down and down and down because of inflation. The inflation rate is very, very high in those countries, especially compared to the United States, which America is very high lately, especially as of they continue to print more money. So this is really good. When we see countries making Bitcoin their legal currency, what does that show you for big cryptos? What does that show you for Bitcoin? What does that show you for Ethereum, Cardano? When more countries start to accept these cryptocurrencies, it will bring Dogecoin. It will bring, specifically and first and foremost, it will bring Bitcoin and Ethereum up substantially. It will bring these currencies to the moon. And we will see six-figure Bitcoin this year. If this does continue to happen, the bull run does continue. If everything works according to plan, Bitcoin will still be worth, as projected, 200,000 plus. So if Bitcoin is a slow performing asset compared to altcoins, let us talk about, hold on. And if Bitcoin is a slow asset compared to performance, comparing to, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin specifically, because, this is a Dogecoin channel. If Bitcoin is slow compared to those, and the cryptos and the altcoins outperform Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does, let's see, if Bitcoin does a 6 or 7x this year, and altcoins always outperform Bitcoin, what do you think the altcoins will do, like Dogecoin? Maybe 10x. Maybe 10x. So if altcoins 10x from here, especially Dogecoin, we will see Dogecoin above $3 by the end of the year. I was actually looking this morning. Somebody bought 420,000 Doge, 0.69 Doge. They're saying Elon Musk made that purchase. So that'll be interesting to see. Let's see if I can find that for you guys. There's an article book. Let me see if I can find it. I can't find it right now. But I was seeing an article or a whale purchase that they bought Dogecoin, 420,000 Doge, 0.69 or something. The people are speculating that it was Elon Musk to buy it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the current charts now. Let's see what's happening with Dogecoin. So we did get a buy alert here, but we are seeing some further downwards movement. And we have to take note of our current levels of support and resistance. And if you guys want to get my private trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in the top pinned comment in the chat, in the live chat. You can also find it in my video description. If you guys would go ahead and hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. We can get this live stream out there to more people. Okay, so we're looking at the 30-minute. We had the high. So we have some levels of support that we're probably going to come down and test. We do have a level of support here. And we also have some further levels of support that we could certainly explore, which would definitely be this area. This is a very key level of support. 32 cents. This is all in the 32-cent range. So we have 32.7 and 32.1. And then we have further levels of support, 31.4 and much below. So these are some areas to watch out for, especially if you can watch TradingView. And right now I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. So hopefully we do get the bounce here. So that's certainly an area that we want to take a look for. We want our bounce to be here. That would be logical, especially if we zoom out. I can show you why that would be logical. Because ever since this dump, we performed an inverse head and shoulders. So The car crazy says 6-9 means 6th of September. Why does 6-9 mean it? Oh. Yeah, that's right. It does mean the 6th of September. I didn't even look at that. I have about $30,000 to $40,000 in Doge. However many Doge that is. So, you know, it's at a discount. 55% low or so, but I continue to cost average as I buy these dips, which is certainly a good way of investing. If you're pretty heavily invested currently and you have more cash to throw in the market, you can lower your cash average down when you buy these dips. So if you had a 70% or if you had a 70-cent cash average and you buy 30 cents, you know, you can certainly start to lower that that buying average down. So this is looking like a possible strong level of support, which we could see. And especially if we are in an uptrend from the recovery, we see our low here. Let me go ahead and remark it. We see our lows here. And they are certainly continuing to get higher. Even if we came down to here, 31.6, we would still be a higher low. So that's certainly, and also look, the highs are getting higher. So this is really good to see. So we will be getting a bounce here pretty soon, especially I believe so with all of this good news coming out. And look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing very well. Higher highs, higher lows from the correction, from the reversal. It's good to see that. And if you guys want to enter in to win the 250 Doge I'll be giving away, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, put anything in the comments below, and follow my Instagram and Twitter, and you will enter in to win this Saturday, which I will be giving 250 Doge to one lucky winner. And yes, we did actually in the Patreon, we did announce a sell alert, you know, 70 cents, 71 cents. So I sold a lot of Doge. We all sold a lot of Doge in the community. Before these big dumps, before major dumps, I always call out a sell alert. I'm able to predict that and see that just based on my market cipher software. There's software that I use that can help to predict these huge dumps before they happen. I've already answered how much Doge I have, so please stop spamming that. So it's definitely good to see Bitcoin breaking out and starting to do good things. So, you know, there's down days and there's green days, there's up days, there's up days. So we're just in a red day. It's not crazy. There's not a massive sell-off. It's a small dip. You know, we're seeing -4% with Dogecoin, and we're starting to head up from now. So if we do head up from here, if we do get a bounce, it's going to be pretty significant, I would imagine. I certainly would imagine that. So if you guys want to stay up to date, make sure you guys check out the Patreon. I will be announcing a buy alert whenever we see some very good bounces here. So I do appreciate all of you guys coming today. I will be making a video tonight, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys tonight.